where applications render the standard round deck type inoperable, and that is stanchions that have large flat diameters to handle air conditioners, or very, very high pipes, or guide pipes, what we've done is produced a closure on the product that allows you to open it, wrap it around the pipe, and then crimp seal it closed with a pair of pliers. Now what you do here is, in this instance, we have a square pipe with round corners, RHS. That's a 75mm square. And when handling square pipes, as any deck type can, you just simply have to allow 20% onto the size of the pipe. So that 75 becomes 90. And we cut where the first 90 size is written. Now, once you've cut that through, you wrap it around the penetration, get it nice and comfortable, and give it a good stretch so that around the front it overlaps almost, and self-locate it into its grooves, hold it, grab a pair of multi-grips or pliers, and just gently crimp the top section closed. You'll continue with this, but it's a little easier doing it up the pipe, so you can slide your hand underneath and continue your crimp. I will recommend to do the bottom next so that you finish it nice and cleanly, and then finally all the way up. This is stainless steel, so it'll weather quite solidly. You do not use any silicone. It is totally sealed in its own right. And then take it down the pipe to your roof level, and then just fit the convolutions, or rather form it to fit the convolutions, corrugations of the roof, because this is the area that we have to fasten first. That's sitting fairly comfortable. You'll see that the spine is on the downside of the roof. The reason for that is because the outlet for the spine is also the drainage area of the product. Now we'll add the silicone. Now, just add some sealant under here, where the edge will be. Make sure we put a reasonable amount under there, because this is the part that's going to stop any sort of leaks. We'll do the edges after. Alright, and as we finish here, the only other part that requires any sort of sealant is in this area here, where the top is slightly V'd because of the tension. Just stick the nozzle in there, give it a squeeze, and seal her off. We'll tidy that up in a moment. That should just about give that a reasonable presentation, and make it look nice and attractive. Okay, now we're ready to fasten it. Here's your little Tex head screws, and with the retrofit, make sure that you fasten this and this point initially. Number one. And number 2. The next one goes at the rear. I'll just put this one in here and then continue around the sides. Now the last one in here. And you should have a fairly comfortable product. Now what we'll do is tidy up all this silicone around here. Okay, now we have the final product. I tend to use a little bit of masking tape just to give me a clean line. There's a completed product. Quite clean, effective, and a waterproof seal on your roof and pipe. Well, that completes the installation of the Dectite Retrofit. The product does come in 3 sizes, as you see its shape there, which will handle 20mm through to 254mm pipes. And it's also available in the soaker type, which starts at 250mm through to 410. The Retrofit also comes in 7 colours currently, and we are addressing the new colours on the market. So when you are faced with situations such as stanchions for air conditioners, long tall pipes, catwalks, or simply guide pipes, remember the Retrofit. It's been specifically designed for those applications.